Hey guys, this is, hang on, background was looking a little bit dark, so I have to fix it. Hey guys, so please excuse the way that I am looking. I'm very unwell at the moment, and today was meant to be my filming day. And if I don't film today, today's Sunday, and I won't be able to film again until next Sunday. So, well, I might be able to film Tuesday, I might be able to film Wednesday, but that's not like set in stone. So yeah, and at the moment I'm doing like 9-hour shifts, and yeah, just since being back at work, we are doing vacation care at the moment. So since being back at work, when I come home for the day, I'm just wrecked, and now I've gotten sick, which is great. So no makeup today. I don't think my face could handle it, but we've still got some videos that I wanted to go through. So today is going to be our empties, so let's get into it. And this is empties for November and December, because yeah, we just didn't really go through a whole lot. So the first thing that we used up, well, first thing in this little bucket is this is the P. Louise body scrub. This is massive. It's meant to look like a little like laundry detergent bottle, I think, because it's called like the No Scrubs Exfoliator. This is 800 mils or 28 fluid ounces. Oh, it smells real good. There's no scent description or anything, so I don't even know how to explain it to you, but like it just smells fresh and like nice and really nice. It's looking gross at the moment. It's just all like gunked up. Yuck. But yeah, so we used up that. I love this. It was a really nice body scrub. It was a really nice like everyday body scrub. Like it had enough granules in it that it still was like scrubby enough that it wasn't so abrasive that you couldn't use it, like that you couldn't like not use it every day. Does that make sense? It was a really nice everyday scrub, and yeah, I would definitely repurchase this. Okay, do I have a story time for you? It's not really that big of a deal, but this is the Dove exfoliating body polish in colloidal, I think that's what it says, oatmeal and calendula oil. So a couple of months ago, I went to the chemist with my mum, and I saw that and I smelt it, and it smelled really nice, and I was like, oh, can you buy this for me? And she's like, yeah, and I was like, cool. First up, a couple of times I used it, great, smelled incredible, and then for some reason it just started to smell so badly of like my nan. Not even so much my nan, but just like specifically like it just started to smell like old woman, and I could not stand it. Oh, and it's so strong. Like I feel like it's gotten worse. Like I'm sick right now. I can barely smell anything, and oh no, I don't even know. Like I feel like I literally have PTSD from this. I don't know what happened, but so I stopped using it. But like it was a big scrub, so I used to maybe like 3 times. Then I was like, ooh, this is actually kind of rank. And then so Cade started like using it. No, I'm sorry, I need to smell something else before we can go on, because that smell is in my nose now. Yeah, so Cade, but like even when Cade used it, he would come to bed like smelling like it, and I was like, I'm sorry, like I can't have you near me because you just stink like old woman. I don't know what it is, but it's so strong. So then one time we were in the shower together, and he grabbed the whole tub of it and just used the rest of it on himself, but he's like, I'm doing this for you so we can use it up, because I didn't want it to go to waste, even though it did technically go to waste. But like I feel like you can't give someone a second-hand body scrub, you know what I mean? But yeah, I don't know, like it, oh my god, I literally feel sick like when I never ever want to have to see this thing again, so I cannot wait to put that one in the bin and just be done with that. Apart from that, it feels really nice on the skin, but yeah, oh god, it was just, I don't know. Anyway, the next one that we used was, this is the Body Shop Cream Body Scrub. It's an avocado one. I got this out of my little advent calendar. This was nice. I'm not a big fan of avocado, but it didn't smell so avocado-y that I couldn't handle it. Like it was just kind of a nice fresh one, and I did quite like the formula of that. So I would like to try this out in a different scent, because I don't think I would spend my money on the avocado one, but I do like the actual formula. Also from the Body Shop, we went through a mini of the pink grapefruit shower gel. This was a 60ml. Smells so good. I've already got backups of this, so Oh, yum. Just such a nice classic good smelling one. Also, I'm kind of stressing out because I can see a lash here sitting on the table, but I can only see one, so I'm like, where is the other one gone? Anyway, whatever. This is from Lush. This is the Elf Shake. This is one that they made in 2022, so this must have been their 2022 Christmas collection. It says the best elf on a shelf, handmade in our workshop with fresh grapes, kiwi, apples, and the scent of super sour gumballs. I loved this. It was a really, really nice smelling one. Oh, it was real, like, it honestly did smell like a gumball, like classic, like little gumball that you get out of a machine when you're a child. And yeah, if they brought back that scent, I would definitely repurchase it. Really freaking out over this lash. Oh, hang on. It's okay. I can see it. It's fine. Alright. Also from Lush, we used up the golden egg. This was from last year's Easter collection. This one smelled so good. Oh, yeah. It's real nice. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. It says lather up with this magical glittering golden egg shower gel and step out of the shower smelling sweet and full of sparkle. Honey scented suds will glimmer and shimmer in every wash with sunny Brazilian orange oil to make you feel like $1,000,000. So yeah, it is actually quite honey scented. It's really, really nice. Once again, if they brought back this scent, then I would definitely repurchase it. Also, I make sure if you have empties of these that you hold on to them, because they've got a little thing on the back and it says like you can bring it back. So if you bring back 5 of these, you can get or like anything that has this little sticker on it. I don't know if you can see that there. This little bring it back sticker. If you bring back 5 like bottles or whatever that has that little sticker on it, then you can get a free face mask. Or if you don't want to get a face mask, you can just every container that has that sticker on it, you can get $1 off your shopping, if that makes sense. So for example, I've got 2 at the moment, so I could get $2 off. But obviously if you save them up for a while, I think last time I went in there I had 12, so I got $12 off my shopping. Anyway, we used up the Conga shower jelly. This one is so old. I got this in 2020. It's so embarrassing. Actually no, I must have got it in like 2019 because, oh no, sorry. It was made in February of 2020, so real old. Smells real good though. I really like the Conga scent. It says sweet vanilla and raspberry are just what you need to get you ready for whatever you need to do. I am starting to kind of like the like shower jellies. I kind of have a weird relationship with them. Like I find them a little bit hard to use. Not hard to use, but like sometimes they're impractical. But I'm starting to like them. And anyway, yeah, I really like the scent of this one. We used up the Hideaway Body Custard in Caramel Butterscotch. This smells so good. Yum. Oh my god, yum. Also, looking at all of these are making me feel sick because they're like used up. There's like crusty stuff around the edge of them. Like, ew. I'm currently working my way through a Hideaway body balm and I'm hating it. Not hating it, but I don't like the formula of the body balms. But the body custards I do like. They're a lot like thinner and like sink into the skin a lot quicker. Whereas the body balms are so oily, sit on top of the skin and I just don't like it. Anyway, our next empty is from Royal Essence. This is the watermelon and lemonade soy candle. And I honestly don't know what happened to this one because you can see here that like it kind of like burnt the jar, which is weird. Anyway, these are a mini candle. These are the ones that I got out of not this advent calendar that I did like this year just gone, but out of an advent calendar that I did previously. I feel like I'm making no sense. Anyway, this is in watermelon lemonade. And honestly, it does smell so good. Unfortunately, these little candles don't really pack a huge punch. Like, you can't really smell them. They don't have a massive thread. I'm guessing that's just because they are so small. But they're still like, I feel like the advent calendars are cute because you can kind of smell all the scents, decide which ones you like, and also you find a surprise piece of jewellery in one of the candles. So anyway, our last empty for this season, or this month or last 2 months, is the Sol de Janeiro Baume de Brat Cream. This is in the Cheirosa 40 fragrance. I love this. It smelled so incredible. So nice. Oh, I don't know what they do. Like, I do not know what they put in their fragrances, but they just smell so incredible. So yeah, when I get down some of my body butters, I do really want to repurchase because I just think it smells so good. But yeah, that was our empties for November and December. My goal for January is to have 20 empties, which I don't know how we're going to go. I've got one so far and it's like the 6th or 7th of January today, so... But I've got faith in us. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!